Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Top 10 Low Capital High Yield Cash Cow Business Ideas. All entrepreneurs want their businesses to become cash cows, but of course, they cannot all get their wishes. There are certain steps you can take, however, to ensure your business has a good chance of providing you with a steady stream of major revenue. One is to look for strong industry growth, such as in real estate and property management, consulting, mobile apps, rideshare, and luxury car rentals. Check out our list below to learn about these and other good cash cow business ideas. 1. Farm. Do you have a green thumb and always dreamed of starting your own farm? Well, now is a great time to take the plunge, with countless people leaving cities for the countryside and looking to eat healthier, all-natural foods fresh from the farm. Farming is a trillion-dollar industry in the U.S. and offers considerable opportunities for hardworking entrepreneurs. And that will be hard work. Farming is not as easy as putting on overalls. You'll need to find and purchase the right piece of land. You'll need to choose your crops, maybe heirloom tomatoes, zucchini, and soybeans. Next, work the soil and make sure it's ready for planting. Then keep your fields clear of insects and blight. You'll also want to decide on livestock. Will you have chickens, lambs, cows, and pigs? There's so much work to do on the farm, but you'll get to work in the great outdoors, providing nourishing foods to your family and community. 2. Rental property. Are you interested in real estate? If so, you're probably well aware that the pandemic, even as it cratered other industries, has spurred record-setting growth in the U.S. real estate market, with prices and sales totals as high as they've been this century. The market has cooled down slightly lately, but it's still a great time to get in on the action. And one good way to do so is by starting your own rental property business. The concept is easy. You simply buy a multi-unit property or a larger residential complex and start making a steady income from renters, in addition to property appreciation and tax benefits. Of course, you'll need significant investment to get started, but you also need to break some eggs to make an omelet. But you will, of course, need to decide what type of rental property you want to invest in. Are you interested in buying and managing properties yourself? Or would you prefer to invest in a property management company? Next, research the market and find out the price range for the area where you're looking to buy. Be sure not to overspend early on. Get started, get a feel for the industry in your area, and then start thinking about making bigger bets. 3. Stock trading. If you have been dealing with securities, you might want to consider starting your own stock trading business. Coming from a volatile year because of the coronavirus pandemic, the stock market is projected to make modest returns in 2022 and continue growing in the next several years. More than 40,000 jobs for securities, commodities, and financial services sales agents are expected to be created per year through 2030. The first step in starting a stock trading business is to secure a license and become a member of a stock exchange. You can start small and trade from home. It's important to make a business plan and come up with ways to differentiate yourself from other stock trading agencies in order to attract clients or investors. It's wise to offer a diversified portfolio, research the market, monitor corporate and other developments that are likely to affect the stock market, and brace for any wild swings that could result in losses. 4. Consulting services. Business is revving back up as the pandemic recedes, and one of the industry's best positioned to take advantage is consulting, which is worth more than $250 billion in the U.S. and recorded strong growth in 2021. If you have an area of expertise, finance and budgeting, technology, operations, or management, you could start up your own consulting firm and help businesses improve their efficiency and profitability, while also making a good living. Starting a consulting business is difficult and will require hard work and determination, as well as a decent amount of red tape. Beyond building up a strong network and reliably providing value to your clients, a key element of your success will be understanding what sets you and your firm apart from your competitors and finding ways to promote that message to your target market and deliver on your promise. Accomplish this, and you'll soon build a reputation and, with a bit of luck, 7-figure revenues. 5. App development. Did you ever think about how often you use mobile apps? Probably many times a day, which is why apps are among the world's fastest growing industries. The global app market is worth more than $465 billion and is expected to expand by nearly 40% by 2026. If you have some tech skills, you could start your own app business and ride that growth to great success. Getting there, however, will not be as easy as unlocking your phone. First, you'll need a great idea for your first app. If you already got that, you'll need to do the build-out and coding, then have the app vetted and approved by major app outlets like Apple and Google. And that's when the real work begins, convincing smartphone owners that your app is more appealing and valuable than the millions of other apps competing for their attention. 6. Affiliate marketing. Barely 15 years old, affiliate marketing is one of the hottest segments of the advertising industry and is used by 80% of leading businesses. The affiliate marketing industry is worth more than $6 billion and still seeing strong growth. So the opportunity is there to enter the market with a new business and do well. 7. Uber. If you have a car and know your way around your city, you could easily start an Uber business. Uber is a popular and growing ride-sharing service that can be a great way to make money. It earned more than $17 billion in 2021 and has nearly 4 million drivers worldwide. The broader ride-sharing market is projected to grow substantially through 2025. In the US, about a fourth of the population uses a ride-sharing service at least once a month. 8. Tourism company. If you're looking to start your own tourism business, you're in luck. The US has reopened its land and air borders to vaccinated tourists. After suffering devastating losses due to the pandemic, the tourism industry is poised for growth. The U.S. Travel Association says domestic leisure travel is expected to surpass pre-pandemic levels in 2022 as 82% of American travelers are excited to travel in the next 12 months. International inbound travel, on the other hand, is anticipated to increase gradually and fully recover in 2024 or 2025. This is the highest level since the start of the pandemic. 9. Exotic car rental. Have you ever wanted to drive a Lamborghini? So have countless other people, which is why the luxury or exotic car rental industry is seeing strong growth and is expected to expand by 60% by 2028. You could start your own exotic car rental business, give customers the drive of their dreams, and ride this growth wave to considerable success. 10. Event planning. The biggest events, weddings, reunions, graduation parties, are often moments that people never forget. You can play a key role in making memories for countless people by starting your own event planning business. As the pandemic recedes, the industry has been growing fast and is now worth $3 billion in the US alone. So the opportunity is real. If you enjoy organizing and planning, this could be the perfect venture for you, and now's a great time to do it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.